For my Writing in the Wild one, I focused on writing within my school building. I found that our school communicates with the student body as organizations, law enforcement, and businesses communicate with people in the community through signs and reminders that are continually posted or displayed. This is our welcome sign that our students first see as they walk into WAMS, which is Williamsport Area Middle School. There we go. As you can see on my first display of images, we have art projects, scholastic winners, welcome signs, humorous things from teachers. Art and schoolwork is displayed as a form of communication from the student to the student body. This communication is a representation of what they've learned and the application of the material. This always makes me giggle right here. Teachers often post humorous or welcoming material to convey a message of safety and comfortability to students. I think it's very important for students to feel safe, and when they have a written reminder, they're a little more open to being in school. On page 2, you can see posters for sports, humanities, organizations, the arts, and they're all billboards of our school community. They're like the advertising that's meant to draw interest and remind students of deadlines. So, for example, the Addams Family, we're doing our musical. Our student body posts for our organization, Helping Hands, post words of encouragement for the student body, track sign-ups, just as reminders. On page 3, we find fundraising, school policies, our congratulations to our AR winners, growth mindset. Right now it's currently Black History Month. School policies and expectations are hung throughout the school, and these visuals are reminders like speed limit signs. They're there for the safety and the greater good of the community. Also, you always have to bring in money, so a constant reminder of, hey, this is due, helps promote our actual fundraising. Our beautiful Valentine's Day roses. These are displays within the school. Our sports. Bully free. This is a reminder and a competition, really, for our kids to design their school yearbook cover. I like the fundamental purpose of the communication, as billboards and graffiti do within the public. It's meant to articulate what the author is trying to get across. So going to my next image, we have our growth mindset again. It's something that we're trying to promote. 5 types of writing, the agenda, annotation marks. Teachers use visual aids to help students succeed. So the purpose for such posters is to encourage thinking if a student is stuck, provide comfort, knowing that there are reference tools at their disposal, and can stand as a confidence booster in a time of need. So if my students are annotating and they forget what they're supposed to do, they always have a visual reminder. We have some graphs, Williamsport Proud, some bus expectations, our pledge against bullying, students need a constant reminder to help develop concepts into long-term memory. So written communication from administration is multi-purpose. Not only do the posters stand to remind students of rules and expectations, but they also kind of reinforce when it comes to breaking rules. So students can never say, "Oh, I didn't know." You knew. It's posted everywhere. Student artwork, again, it shows what they've learned. This is also a reminder because the plot diagram is something that they use in every short story that they use all throughout literature throughout the year. Some STEAL, also another acronym that they use all the time. So they're demonstrating what they know to kids outside also as a written reminder to other kids, just in case we have a pop quiz. Some more schoolwork from our students. They're quite talented. In the back, I'm not going to lie, this is my classroom right here. So these are my rules. They stand as a written reminder to the students, hey, we don't just call out, we raise our hands to answer and ask questions. Behind here, you can't see it, but it's saying we don't bully, we are nice to people. Again, our plot diagrams. There's a big connection between the outside world and the community within. There's always certain mimicking that the school does to mimic the outside world to make a connection between students and the real world once they leave. So again, like reminders to have good bus etiquette. Well, you have reminders of not littering. They're posted, please do not litter, fine, these are your consequences. We have, please act appropriately on the bus, these are your consequences if you do not. Don't mind the banging in the back. That's my cat not understanding that the door is closed. But our 4Bs are expectations that we have within our school. And I think you can see them. I'll find them. They're everywhere. But they're posted absolutely everywhere within our school. And it's to basically keep kids on their toes, have them understand, be prompt, be prepared, reliable, courteous, considerate, all these things that make them better citizens in the real world as they do in school.